In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a payment received in Zoho Books. Whether you are managing a small business or keeping track of your personal finances, knowing how to log payments correctly is essential. Let's dive in and explore how you can efficiently record payment activities in Zoho Books, a popular accounting software that offers various financial tools to streamline your processes. First, let's begin by accessing the Zoho Books website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zoho Books page by typing in the URL or simply searching for it online. Once you're there, you'll see the option to sign in. Click on the Sign In button, which is prominently displayed on the home page. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Make sure to input the right email and password associated with your Zoho Books account to gain access. Once you've successfully logged in, you will be directed to the Zoho Books homepage. This dashboard gives a comprehensive overview of your financial activities, but today we're focusing on recording a payment. So let's move on to the next step, which involves navigating to the Purchases section. Look for this on the sidebar and click on Purchases to proceed. In the Purchases section, you'll find various options related to your expenditures. The area we are interested in is Payments Made. Click on this tab to further narrow down your search. Here, you manage payments made to your vendors or suppliers. It's the right place to adjust and add new payment records, ensuring all financial transactions are accurately tracked. Now let's move to the crucial part of this tutorial, which is adding a new payment. To do this, you'll need to click on the New button. This is usually found at the top right corner of your screen and stands out, making it easy to spot. Clicking this will prompt a dialog box for entering the payment details. This is where you'll input information such as the payment amount, the date of the transaction, and the vendor or supplier details. Ensure each field is filled in correctly to maintain the accuracy of your financial records. Once you've entered all the necessary information, review it to ensure everything is accurate. Zoho provides an additional review feature, allowing a final glance before confirming the payment record. If you have completed the details to your satisfaction, click on Save to record the payment in your books. This completes the process. In just a few simple steps, you have successfully recorded a payment in Zoho Books. Regularly updating and managing these records can significantly facilitate smoother financial operations and reporting. We hope this tutorial has provided clear guidance and empowered you to use Zoho Books more effectively. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using Zoho Books.